Stop wasting time creating serial numbers manually. Excel can do that automatically for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an auto-numbering sequence using the sequence function. Alright, here I have a table with multiple rows and columns, and I need to add serial numbers to it. To do that, simply click on the first cell where you want numbering to begin, then type =, followed by sequence function and open parenthesis. Inside parentheses, enter the number of serial numbers you want, then close parentheses and press enter. Excel will instantly create serial numbers from 1 up to the number you specified. But here's the problem: if I try to add new entry to the table, numbering will not be updated automatically. To fix this, we need a smarter formula, one that can adjust numbering automatically based on how many rows are actually filled. Type =, followed by sequence function. Inside it, I use counter and select the range from B6 to B200. So this formula creates numbers from 1 up to the total number of filled cells. Then, for better formatting, I add ampersand with a dot at the end. This will add a dot after each number, like 1 dot, 2 dot, 3 dot, and so on. And when you finish whole formula, press enter. Excel will create serial numbers, and if I add new entry to the table, numbering updated automatically. So I hope this helped you understand how to set up auto-numbering in Excel. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.